Making your Google Calendar public is a straightforward process that can be useful for businesses or public figures who want to share their schedules with the public. To do this, it's recommended to create a new calendar, as sharing your default calendar may expose private events. Creating a new calendar is simple. Just click the plus icon next to Other Calendars and then select Create New Calendar. Once the new calendar is created, click the three dots to the right of it and select Settings and Sharing from the drop-down menu. In the Calendar settings, scroll down to the Access Permissions for Events section and check the box that says Make Available to Public. You will then see a warning from Google stating that making your calendar public will make all events visible to the world, including via Google search. After confirming, you will see a pop-up stating that your sharing settings have been saved. And you can then click Get Shareable Link to obtain a link to share your public calendar on social media or elsewhere. This process is relatively quick and easy, and it allows you to control what events are shared with the public.